Connect your Shopify store. How to connect Shopify with ChatGenie. Connecting your Shopify with ChatGenie is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to begin. Go to chatgenie.ph/login/client to log in. Click on Sign in with Facebook. Select the Facebook account that you wish to connect and the corresponding Facebook page that you would like to set up with ChatGenie. Once logged in, go to the upper right corner of the page and click on the Create in-app store button. Choose the Shopify bundle and click the Connect Shopify Store button. Select a subscription plan. Click Select. Click Next. Connect the Facebook page to your in-app store. Fill in the store name, greeting, welcome message, referral code, email notification and support email recipients, and support contact number as you please. Please note that do not edit the words that you see in the brackets as they are the codes used for the app. Click Next. On the Overview page, select the Connect to Shopify button. Provide the API version, admin API access token, and Shopify store domain of the Shopify custom app. For a guide on how to find these credentials, proceed. In your Shopify store, click Apps and go to Apps and Sales Channel Settings. In the App and Sales Channel page, click Develop Apps. Click the Create an App button. Input your preferred app name for the custom app. In the Created Custom Apps overview, configure the Admin API scopes and Storefront API scopes. Select the needed configurations provided in the screenshot below. Please note, there should be 12 Admin API access scopes and 7 Storefront API access scopes. Pro tip: to easily find the access scopes, press Ctrl F key on your keyboard and type the following. Once done, go to the API credentials page and click Install App. Your custom app is now ready to connect to ChatGenie. To find your Shopify custom app API credentials, follow these simple steps. In your Shopify store, click Apps and go to Apps and Sales Channel Settings. In the App and Sales Channel page, click Develop Apps, then click the custom app that you want to connect to ChatGenie. Go to API credentials to copy the admin API access token. Please note that this token can be only copied once. Make sure to save it to a different file for future use. Next, go to Configuration to copy the API version. For the Shopify store domain, follow this format. Go to Home and view the URL in the address bar. Copy the last part of the URL after the last slash, and change the quotation in the previous format provided. Once done, click Save. Congratulations! Your Shopify store is now integrated to ChatGenie.